Hello. In our day-to-day life, we are faced with several tasks that require of us to estimate values. Take for example, if you were going shopping, you want to go and buy some certain numbers of some item. You do not know the actual price, but you have to go with enough money that will cover your entire expense. What you do in that kind of situation is you estimate, like, how much will I require to buy all of these things that I really need to buy? Or when you're leaving the home and you're going to school, you sometimes also estimate how much do I require to have at hand that will cover for your transportation and for your lunch and other expenses that you do in school. So most of these things just come at us and we just do them as if it is just part of us. But let us truly learn what the meaning of estimation is. So we'll define estimation. Estimation is a rough or calculated guess of the amount, value, or size of an object. So whenever you are trying to make a rough guess or a calculated guess of the amount, the value or size of an object, what you are doing there is estimation. You don't know the actual size, but you are guessing it either by calculation or just by your thought process to see what the actual value, size, or amount of that object is. We do this quite a lot. So when you do that, just know you are estimating. And that's the meaning of estimation. Thank you.